Let me ask you something. How many hours do you spend inside Meta Ads Manager every week? Like checking performance, exporting reports, figuring out why a campaign suddenly stopped working, and a lot more things. Now imagine this. An AI manages your ad account, it checks your campaigns and spots performance drops on its own. And then it creates a client ready or boss ready reports and suggests ways to improve. And all of that in just few minutes. I know it sounds realistic after AI, but most of you must be trying to figure out. But in this video, I'll show you how it is done. Meta tried to roll out this new AI agent quietly, but it is already blowing up everywhere. And for some reason, it appeared in my account just last week. And it could change how performance marketers run their campaigns, according to me, because I have been using this tool and another tool, and they're giving me really good results. And the name of this tool is Manus.ai or Manus AI. And if you run ads for clients or manage multiple accounts, this tool could remove a huge amount of manual work from your workflow. And even if you are in an in-house team, then also it will do the same. But here's the important part. You might mistakenly think this is another AI assistant like GPT because of the way it sounds or the way you interact with it. Because literally its UI is similar to any AI chatbot you have used, but it is not. This is agent with the help of a chat UI. So in this video, we'll break down 5 real ways advertisers are using Manus today, and from that also you will understand what I'm trying to say about agents, okay? Like agents everywhere, okay? So through the use cases, I'll try to explain what the hell this is. And at the end, I'll tell you there's one thing that this tool can't handle, and for that, I'll give you a trick, okay, how to do so. And yeah, that could end up being the biggest roadblock for this tool to succeed. And I don't think they'll ever be able to solve this on their own. So if you're investing money on Meta ads, you would really want to pay attention to this update. But let's start with the basics first. So what exactly is Manus? So Manus AI is an AI agent designed specifically for advertising workflows inside Meta's ecosystem. It was originally developed by a Singapore-based startup in March 2025, but then Meta acquired the technology just recently last year, and now they are integrating it directly into the ads manager. So basically you don't have to rely on external AI tools. Manus gets your campaigns done or analyzed or competitor analysis done in just minutes with integration inside Facebook. So it is inside Facebook ad ecosystem. While on the other hand, other AI tools would want to have access to all that information, but it already has it. Manus can be directly accessed through your business account because it is literally inside Meta Ads Manager, right from the tool section. Before we move on and you give all your Meta ads control to this Manus AI agent, because this Manus thing is insane, like really insane, here's what I want you to think about. If AI could handle reporting, research, and campaign analysis for your ad account, would you actually trust it? Or would you still double check everything from the attribution standpoint? Keep this particular thing in your mind, okay? When I say attribution, are you really sure that the attribution that you are seeing is true? And if you have been a viewer of this channel for a long time, then you know what I'm talking about. Now, let's move on to the next section. A lot of marketers are currently using AI tools like GPT for ads. But here's the difference. GPT is conversational AI, but Manus is built for execution. More importantly, Manus is not just another AI tool. It operates as an agent that can take action and not just respond. And that basically changes everything. See, when you use GPT for Facebook ads, you usually paste campaign data manually or take screenshots and let it, or make it analyze for you, right? But Manus already has access to your ads manager, and then it has agents which you can deploy literally to go on web and do stuff for you. So it analyzes your real campaign data, not generic information, and then does what you ask it to do, like literally all over the internet. Now that means the insights are contextual to your account, and also you have a lot more power than just ChatGPT because you can't ask it to go around doing stuff, but in Manus you can. And that's what makes it so powerful for advertisers, because it is literally contextual and has so much superpower. Right now, Meta is gradually rolling out Manus out across ad accounts, so you may or may not have the access to it yet. If you want to check, open the business suite, and then go to the tools menu under the engage audience. In some accounts you will be able to see that it appears inside business manager over here. Just click over here and see that it appears over here. Even when I asked my Meta ad representative that when is it rolling out, this is what he replied with. Now let's talk about Manus AI in general. Okay, as you can see here, you begin by entering your prompt, after which you are redirected to the Manus platform, and there you will need to connect your Meta Ads account. Now this step can create some confusion for both you and the AI, especially if you are managing multiple ad accounts, like which agencies mostly do. But if you are just an in-house team, then most probably you will have only one account, so it doesn't matter. For instance, if you have 60 accounts like we do, we have much more than 60, but Manus may struggle to identify the correct one. That's why it is important to clearly select the specific account or accounts where you want the tasks to be executed, because it will literally go inside that account and execute the task for you. A simpler alternative, in my opinion, is to access Meta directly through Manus. You can connect your Meta account within Manus platform itself and run your prompt from there. Now moving on to the important section. What can Manus actually do for you? Now, instead of giving you some theoretical features, which anyone will do, let's look at 5 real use cases, because Manus has just rolled out in my ad account and I was really desperate at doing these things. So the case one over here is automated reporting. Let's start with a painful one, which is reporting. Think about this for a second. Let's say if reporting disappears tomorrow from your weekly workflow, what would you actually do with those extra hours? If you run ads for clients or manage multiple campaigns, reporting can eat hours every week. You export spreadsheet, clean the data, build slides, and create charts. But Manus can literally do that for you, like those reports, almost instantly. You can prompt it like this, as you can see on the screen. PS, your prompt needs to be clear, specific, and tightly structured to get the right answer in one go with minimal friction. If you want a reference, I have added my prompt document in the comment section as well as in the description section. So go ahead, check it out, just download it for you, and then you can personalize it for your use case. Manus analyzed the account, build a structured report, and generated charts and insights, as you can see over here. And you get a complete campaign level breakdown that captures every key performance metric in one place, so nothing critical is overlooked. It clearly identifies your top performing audiences and winning creatives, not just by surface level results, but by consistent performance patterns across the account, and which only AI can do because it can hold a lot of memory over there. Although it wouldn't have the business context, but the memory that is relevant to the data, it is able to hold much longer than any human, and it gives you really good trends. And also Manus doesn't stop at analysis. It goes a step further by generating data-backed recommendations, helping you refine targeting, reallocate budgets, and plan your next campaign with a clear performance-driven direction. Now, instead of spending 4 to 6 hours on spreadsheets, you can get a client-ready report in just minutes. Now, imagine doing that across 10 client account. I think it's a dream come true, right? And let me give you one more or two more advices which I generally would want to do. I will give it a branding document of my own company as well as my client's company and ask it to create the PPT and everything in an amalgamation of both those branding documents, right? And second thing is that I'll also give it the context. For example, if there was a seasonality trend or something happened in the business, for example, there was out of stock with respect to a particular product, I'll give that one also. So that whenever it is reading that data, and everything, it will understand what the hell just happened, right? And why did it happen? Does it make sense? I hope so. Now, move on to case 2, which is anomaly detection. Now, here's another problem most advertisers face, which is silent performance drops. Sometimes ROAS falls suddenly, sometimes CPM spikes overnight, but advertisers often notice these problems too late. But Manus can continuously monitor campaign performance if you prompt it like this. It detects unusual patterns, also highlights possible causes. With this prompt, you get both campaign level and ad level anomaly detection. So you're not just looking at overall performance shifts, but pinpointing exactly where the irregularities are happening. So basically, it doesn't just highlight what changed, it prioritizes those changes based on impact, helping you focus on the anomalies that actually matter instead of getting lost in the noise. More importantly, it breaks down why performance is deviating and translates those insights into clear actions you can take to stabilize and improve results. So instead of discovering problems days later, you can catch them almost immediately. And if you manage large budgets, this can prevent wasted spend like crazy. Now, case 3 is audience insights. Have you ever discovered a profitable audience completely by accident? Well, with Manus, you can now find those patterns automatically. See, one of the hardest parts of scaling meta ads is finding the right audiences. Am I right? Marketers usually test dozens of targeting options, but Manus can analyze your pixel data correctly. It looks for patterns among your highest value customers, Then it identifies segments generating the most revenues. And you can prompt it like this, as you can see on the screen. With this, it surfaces insights you might miss manually. Meanwhile, it is carrying this task out. On a side note, the kind of tasks Manus handles are quite intensive, which is why access to the pro version becomes important. Okay, so I have the pro version of Manus AI. It ensures smoother execution, faster processing, and the ability to handle these workflows without limitation. And trust me, Manus hasn't paid me for this. The other competitor of Manus is GenSpark, and I heavily use GenSpark. Okay, GenSpark has also not paid me for this. So I'm just telling you whatever I'm using as of now as an agency owner, and you should too. To be very honest, you are already spending money. The best thing is to efficiently spend it so that you spend less and earn more on Facebook ads. And these are the tools where you should invest. And if you are being miser and you are like, no, I'm already paying to Facebook, you have already lost. What do you think? The agencies that are spending like millions are not spending on these tools. You are already behind. And when you give them the leverage of AI as well, the battle is lost. You have lost everything. Okay, don't be a miser. So coming back, now you can clearly separate your top performing and underperforming audiences. With detailed demographic insights such as age, gender, and behavior laid out in a structured way, you can infer a lot of things. Now, this goes beyond simple segmentation. It helps you understand who is actually driving results versus who is draining spend, with clarity on performance at a granular level. From there, you can identify high potential segments to scale, spot gaps in targeting, and uncover expansion opportunities, like, by just running this prompt. Okay, like, it's so crazy. Whether that's doubling down on proven audiences or testing adjacent cohorts with a higher probability of conversion, you can do all of it. Okay, like, possibilities are endless. You are just limited by your creativity. So your targeting becomes far more precise over here, which means lower acquisition costs. Okay, and also a few of you would be like, Sannidhya, you always used to say creative is the new target. Yeah, it is, but still 10% it matters. It's similar to that TV you used to have when you were a kid and there was an antenna which you used to shake and you never knew why it worked. It's similar to that. Facebook is a black box. The only trigger that you have right now is changing that interest-based targeting, and that's why it matters 10%, not more than that. Don't get crazy over it. Like, it will give you some substantial result. But when you are working over here, with so much amount of budget, even 10% matters. Hope that makes sense. Now moving on to case 4, which is competitor analysis. Now think about competitor research. Most marketers occasionally check the meta ads library. What they do is they search for their competitors, look at some creators, then move on. But to be honest, that process is inconsistent, okay, and a beginner-friendly process. If like a process which any beginner would do. Now here's what pros would do. Manus can automate the whole thing for you. Ask it to carry this particular thing out, which you are seeing in front of the screen. It searched for patterns in successful creatives. It also pointed out the headline structures, visual styles, messaging angles, and you can see over here, okay? It has generated a highly detailed competitor analysis document which you can go through, covering their business model, lead generation tactics, ad messaging style, formats, and hooks, and even their offer tiers. It also highlights what they are overdoing, where they are falling short, where they are, overdoing stuff, and how we can use those insights to strengthen our own strategy. And on top of that, it has backed everything with solid references. So instead of guessing what works, you can iterate creatives much faster. And also here, I would like to say one thing. It's not able to analyze your competitor research ad library the way you would want to, and that's where GenSpark comes into picture. Although it is able to, I'm not going to say that I was surprised with the kind of capabilities it has, but GenSpark is far superior over here when it comes to analyzing the videos. And I have been using GenSpark to analyze videos for far too long. Like, I sort the ad library from highest to lowest impression, pick up that particular ad and ask GenSpark why is it working. It is able to transcribe it for me, understand it, and then tell me why is it working. Even if the video is text heavy, like there is no sound, it will still be able to understand frame by frame. You don't have to screenshot every frame and give it back to GenSpark. It will be able to do it for you. So go ahead, try GenSpark. So GenSpark, if you're watching me, please start sponsoring my videos, okay? Now moving on to case 5, which is optimization recommendations. So finally, campaign optimization, okay, part, and that's the most important part, I feel. Every ad account has underperforming campaigns, okay? Usually marketers analyze performance manually, and that is what they're supposed to do. And then they also don't have an SOP, and they rely on experience to decide what to change. But if you have a decent SOP, Manus can help you like really in a really great way. Manus can analyze performance patterns across the account, and you give it a prompt to carry this out. And over there, you can also mention your SOP as well. It reviews performance based on data and then processes it and proposes specific adjustments. As you can see here, you get a structured decision-ready report that clearly outlines what to scale, what to pause, and where to cut or reallocate your budget, thus removing guesswork from optimization. It also goes deeper than surface level suggestion by identifying which elements need improvements and highlights specific areas to refine. And on top of that, it surfaces high impact testing opportunities and provides future budget allocation strategies. So you are not just reacting to current performance, but actively planning for more efficient, scalable growth. And these insights will help you scale winning campaigns faster and also reduce wasted ad spend. Now, but before you get too excited, there's something important to understand, which I mentioned at the start of the video as well. Manus is powerful, but not perfect. First of all, Manus cannot execute changes automatically. Even if it recommends pausing an ad or shifting budgets, even though it's an agent, you still have to approve the changes, okay? So there's some amount of manual intervention, and I feel it is important initially. Eventually, yeah, you can, you would want it to execute those things. Second, unclear promise can lead to incorrect analysis. So marketers still need to review outputs carefully, and that's something which you should be doing. Even I shouldn't be telling you that. That's marketing 101 or human 101. And third one is Manus focuses mostly on analysis. It does not generate images, videos, or ad creatives. And even if you ask it to do so, okay, I'm not sure what would be the quality because I haven't tested it enough. I just purchased the Pro plan, so I'm not sure about it, okay. GenSpark is pretty good at that. It uses Nano and everything, but I'm not sure about Manus as of now. And finally, there is one major limitation. Manus only sees Meta's internal data, okay. It analyzes impressions, clicks, and conversions from Facebook and Instagram. So whatever Facebook is telling it, it basically treats it as the only source of truth. But modern marketing rarely happens on a single platform. And there are various touch points in place. So a customer might see on Facebook, click on an Instagram story, read an email, and then finally purchase through organic search. So it is not able to stitch attribution across channels. Meanwhile, it is still not giving you the complete marketing picture. Therefore, to solve this multi-channel attribution system, you need to leverage a third-party tool that basically works on your first-party attribution data, capable of tracking complete customer journey, not just on Facebook, but on email, WhatsApp, and everywhere, and gives you all the touch points on where did this person go or how many times did that person interact before converting, so that you have appear in order also, total touch counts also, and a lot of other things on the basis of which you are able to take the decision. And you have clear visibility of the ads and platforms that are driving your sales. And this is what exactly, okay, and this is exactly what Tracosity does. Now, Tracosity.io will be providing you with the last piece of the puzzle needed to make the most out of Manus AI. Tracosity focuses on server-side tracking and multi-touch attribution and the first-party attribution data that I just mentioned. So instead of relying on browser tracking or basically Facebook tracking, which is unreliable because they don't have any incentive to give you better attribution, because if they do so, then you will spend less and that's not profitable for their business. So it uses first-party data to track it, and you can recover all the conversions and you are able to match everything, and there's 0% discrepancy there. Literally, if you're using Shopify or on Go High Level, Flexi Funnel, or any kind of a funnel, just use Tracosity. This is customized for all the platforms which are out there. You are able to identify which channels usually drive revenue, get single source of truth, and then feed it to Manus AI. Just download all of the data and feed it to Manus AI, and Manus AI will be able to understand everything because it has all the data from the Facebook as well as from your own inside, and then it will understand, okay, fine, so this is what is happening. So if you amalgamate both of them, that gives you really good results. That's all. So instead of relying on fragmented data, build a much stronger optimization system. That's what I have to say over here. Now I'm curious about something, and I want to ask you that. Which task would you automate first? Reporting, optimization, audience research, or something else? Let me know in the comments below, because tools like this would fundamentally change how performance marketing is done, or how performance marketers run ads. Now, if you want more updates like this, then or want to learn more about Meta ads, then check this video out. Okay, click on this video. That's all.